If you're a home service business and you're stuck at 3 to 5 jobs a week, there's no reason you can't get to 20, 30, even 40 booked jobs just by fixing how you show up online locally. In this video, I'll break down a 3-step local marketing blueprint you can use in 2025 and beyond to get home service clients on demand. Hey, I'm Ahmad from Fox Media, and I help home service businesses turn their online presence into a steady stream of local customers. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your Google business profile into a local lead magnet, how to make your website plus local SEO actually convert into calls and bookings, how to use local service ads and PPC to fill your calendar fast. Let's jump straight into step 1. Step 1 is your Google business profile. This is your digital shop front for local searches like plumber near me or AC repair in your city. Before we talk fancy marketing, we need this dialed in. 1. Block 1 golden hour. I want you to literally block 1 hour this week. Call it your golden hour to fully optimize your Google business profile. 2. Complete and verify everything. Inside that hour, make sure your business is verified. Double check your name, address, phone number. Add your website URL. Set service areas, your main city plus surrounding suburbs. Update your business hours so Google and customers trust the info. 3. Add services with local intent. Next, add detailed services. Don't just put plumbing or roofing. Use phrases like emergency plumber in city, water heater installation in city, roof leak repair, city and nearby areas. This helps your profile show up for more real-world searches your customers are typing in. 4. Upload real local photos. Then, upload real photos, before and after shots of jobs, your team, your vans with branding, your logo and office, if you have one. People don't want stock photos. They want to see actual proof you're a legit local business. 5. Get your first 10 to 20 reviews. If you don't have consistent reviews, you're invisible. After every completed job, send a quick text or email with your Google review link. Ask them to mention what you did in the city. For example, they fixed our AC the same day in city. Highly recommended. Aim for your first 10 to 20 reviews, then never stop. 6. Use the Q&A section. Finally, go to the Q&A section on your profile and add common questions. Do you offer 24/7 emergency service? Which areas do you cover? Do you offer free estimates? Answer them like you're on the phone with a new customer. This pre-sell your service and saves you time on calls. Once your Google business profile is dialed in, it's time to fix the place you're sending those people, your website. Step 2 is your website and local SEO. Your website should not be a fancy online brochure. It should be a 24/7 salesperson for your home service business. 1. Make it obvious. Who you are, what you do, where you work. Start at the very top of your homepage, what people see without scrolling. Your main headline, H1, should clearly say what you do, who you serve, where you serve them. Examples. Emergency plumbing in city, 24/7 local plumbers roof repair and replacement in city and surrounding areas. AC and heating repair for homeowners in city. Within 2 seconds, people should know, yes, this company is for me. 2. Use local keywords intentionally. Google needs clear signals too. Use your city and nearby suburbs in headings, H1, H2, service page titles, meta titles and descriptions. If you offer multiple services or serve multiple cities, build service plus city pages like water heater repair in city, drain cleaning in nearby town. This is how you build local SEO depth instead of just one generic page. Trust above the fold. Above the fold, before they scroll, stack the trust. Embed your best Google reviews. Show badges, licensed and insured, family owned, serving city since 2012. Mention proof, over 1,000 homes serviced in city. Homeowners are asking, can I trust these people in my house? Your job is to say yes visually and instantly. 4. Make it stupidly easy to contact you. Most sites lose leads because they're hard to contact. Fix this. Big click to call button on mobile and desktop. Short quote form. Name, phone, service needed. City, maybe one extra detail. Optionally add, text us on WhatsApp or request a call back. Repeat your contact details in the header, mid-page and footer. Don't make people hunt for it. 5. Track what actually matters. If you don't track, you're guessing. At a minimum, track phone calls from your website. Track form submissions. Track booking rate from those leads. Over time, you'll see which pages, keywords, and cities bring you the best customers, and you can double down. Step 3 is turning on local service ads and PPC to generate leads fast while your SEO continues to grow. First, local service ads. These are the ads at the very top of Google with the Google Guaranteed badge. They are perfect for home services: plumbing, HVAC, electrical, roofing, cleaning, pest control, and more. Here's why LSAs are powerful. You pay per lead, not per click. Leads are usually high intent. I need help now. You get extra trust from the Google Guaranteed badge. Make sure your profile is complete. Your license/insurance info is accurate. You respond to leads quickly. The faster you respond, the more leads Google sends you. Next, traditional Google search ads. PPC. The goal here is to show up exactly when someone searches for what you do, like emergency plumber, city, AC repair near me, roof leak repair, city. A couple of rules. Start with high intent keywords like repair, emergency, near me. Focus on your most profitable services first. And don't send these clicks to your generic homepage if you can avoid it. Build simple landing pages focused on one main service plus city. A good landing page has a clear headline that matches the ad. Example: 24/7 emergency plumbing in city, call now. A few bullet points of benefits. Fast response, upfront pricing, licensed and insured. A section with reviews or testimonials. Before/after photos if relevant. A clear call to action. Call now or request a same-day quote. Remember, people are in a hurry. Make the decision easy. Not everyone will call you on their first visit, and that's okay. Use retargeting ads on Facebook and Instagram to stay in front of people who visited your website. People who clicked your ads but didn't convert. Show them your best reviews. Before/after project photos. A special offer or financing option. The goal is simple. When they are finally ready to book, they remember you, not your competitor. Quick warning. Don't treat any of this like a set it and forget it system. Yes, you can use tools and automation to help, but reviews require real follow-up with customers. Content on your site and Google profile needs real local expertise. Ads need real optimization based on which leads are good or bad. These aren't vanity metrics. These are core business activities. When you give them real attention, they give you real revenue. Let's quickly recap the 3-step home service marketing blueprint for 2025 and beyond. Step 1. Golden Hour. Google Business Profile. Optimize your profile. Get reviews, add real photos and services. This becomes your local lead magnet. Step 2. DM Hour. Website plus local SEO. Turn your site into a conversion machine with clear local messaging, trust elements, and easy contact options. Step 3. On the fly. LSAs and PPC. Use local service ads, Google Ads, and retargeting to generate fast, trackable leads while your SEO grows. If you commit just a few focused hours each week to these 3 steps, you'll see more calls, more quotes, more booked jobs. That's how you go from 3 to 5 jobs a week to 20, 30, or even 40 without guessing. If you want help setting this up for your own home service business, whether you're a plumber, HVAC company, roofer, electrician, cleaner, or something similar, drop the word call in the comments or click the link in the description to book a free strategy call. On that call, we'll look at your Google profile, your website, and your current marketing, and I'll show you exactly what to fix first to start getting more local customers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.